Hi there, Becky Hurley from British Columbia, and I just wanted to give you a quick demo on our new Instantly Ageless. This is a product that we just released a couple of weeks ago, and I'm so excited about it. So it comes in little vials. It actually comes in a full box, beautiful box just like this, and in that you get 25 vials. Each one of these vials will last you anywhere from 3 to 5 applications, depending on how much you're using it and where you're putting it. But really, the key is to use just a little bit. So you can see there, I've just got a little bit on my finger, and this will literally, within the next couple of minutes, diminish about 10 years off of the look of my eyes. So I'm going to just take that little bit, and like I said, less is more, and you just want to dab it and spread it to get a nice, thin, even layer, and make sure that you are leaving it wet, because it's while it's drying that the magic happens. You might be asking, well, what is it? What's in this to make it work the way that that you'll see that it's going to? It's a really simple formulation, actually, but they've done it exactly right, so it works perfectly. And it's about 92% water. There are 2 different minerals, and then a peptide called argireline, which if you look that up, you'll see that they're calling it Botox in a bottle. And just while it's drying, you will see that it will shrink the bag and the discoloration, and it's just an amazing product. I was in Vegas last week, and if you've ever been to Vegas before, you know you don't get a whole lot of sleep, and it's quite smoky there. And my eyes, I was waking up with big bags under my eyes, and this was a lifesaver for me. So we're just having so much fun promoting this product. Jeunesse literally cannot keep it on the shelves. It's going out the doors so very quickly. So you can see here, it's starting to work. I'm just fanning it to get it to activate a little bit quicker, just for time sensitivity. But gosh, we're having so much fun promoting this. If this is a product that you want to get your hands on, be sure to get back in touch with the person that sent you this. You probably are receiving this on social media, and it's an amazing product. So you can see bag, 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 and no bags, literally at least 10 years off of the look of my eyes here. So I'm gonna go out. I've been running around town, one eye done and the other one not, just to show people the great effects of this. So Instantly Ageless by Jeunesse. Get some today.